Now going to the live code. Before we go to the live code, what I did today, I created an assignment, which I'm going now to activate it. It will come on your Replit screen in your account. So you go to that assignment, you'll get a notification, hopefully. You get that, go to that assignment and do your coding there. While you do the coding and you're following me, if you're stuck somewhere, you can basically submit that assignment to me. And then I can look at it, give you feedback, what you need to change, you change it, and when you're happy, you submit it back to me. So we'll do that. Let's go back to our turtle now. I am back here. Let me do some setting, quick one. I have some draft assignments here. This is one of it. I will change the date to, what is the date today? 5th. Deadline by the end of the day, and then we'll go there. I'm going to publish it now to everyone, and you will see it in your notification. You'll start getting some notification like mine. If you click on the notification, you'll find that I gave you an assignment. Okay, so that one you will work on it. And what I'll do to show you the live code, I will go to that assignment. And while you're working on it, I can also, it will come here for you, yeah? I can start coding and doing that. I see no one of you submitted anything yet. That's good. So this is the assignment, and this is what we need to do. So we're working today with the functions. By the way, there is a link here for later you can do, similar to the turtle link we had last time. You can go there and find some more information about functions and how functions work and what you need to do with the functions. Okay, I'll give you more than 9 hours. Someone's saying, give us more, and not happy that I closed the deadline. I agree, I'll give you more time. But I need to look at the code to select the best one to do, yeah? But 9 hours, you have more than that. I will have, I'll give you more time until, say, Monday. Yeah, no worries. I can give you more, maybe give you until next week. But during that time, you just come back to me and show me what you do. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to modify this code to become a function that receives 2 parameters. Function should receive value of length and angle. And then we will call it 3 times. Okay, so we'll do that and we will call it 3 times. Someone saying, I didn't see any notification. Did you register in my course? If you didn't register, you will not see the notification. If you register, can you see it? Did anyone see the notification? Tell me if you have the notification. If you don't have the notification, maybe you just go into the course, you'll find it there. If everybody able to see that notification, yes, okay, I can see that, very good. Now, when you register, you need to register using my code. There is a special code for my course. If you just register without using the special code of my course, you will not be able to see that. And I can show you where to do that later, because I think we need to start doing some work. Okay, so let's come here and define a function, and we'll call it draw shape. And it will receive 2 parameters, L and angle, and then colon here. You do that, this is not enough, not good enough, because now still these lines are not part of the function. They are on the same level of the function, so they don't belong to the function. So you push them. If you select them and press tab, it will move all together. You just select them and press tab. It will move all together. Or you can go and move them one by one. So we have the function. Now, if you run anything, nothing will come on the screen. The function is there, but it is in the memory of the computer. We didn't call it. If you want to call it, we'll say draw, and look at how important to stay with the same case, not changing from uppercase to lowercase. I did called row with lowercase and shape or S with uppercase. I have to stay with that. Otherwise, I'm calling different function. Your name is X and I'm calling you Y. You would never answer me and say, hi, Hamid, because I'm calling you the wrong name. And basically that's it. You have to use the same name with the same. So I'm putting 190. So now nothing will change. It will run 190 because I did not change the code here by referring to our L and angle. So if I put this one, whatever, 200, okay, and make this 40, nothing will change. I'll get the same shape coming again, because basically I have to reflect L and angle in my code. So I have to come here. You don't touch the for loop. For loop has nothing to do with that. You touch this one. This should be L, and this one should be angle, and this should be L, and this should be angle. I can copy it and paste it. I know I can see someone saying that, but I just finish it because it's not that complicated, hopefully. Now, if I make a spelling mistake here, again, it will not run because it's changing. Now, because I put L, put angle inside the function, these values will come from here. So I'm passing 200. The 200 will go as L, will go here, be used as 200. And I used 40, and then I'll get a shape that I don't know how to manage. Something came on the screen because that's what I did. Now, good, I have my function. I can repeat it again. I can copy it and paste it down and change now this number to something else. Let's make this one 50 and 120, okay? And now it will run two things. It will run the first one, finish it, then it will start running the other one and continue doing that. So this way, I am reusing the function. I keep reusing the function again and again and again during my code. And the new shape just started to come here down. I think I can make this one bigger. You will see what's happening here. So something came like a bridge that, not really a good bridge because it will make it difficult for the cars to go up. I don't know why this design coming like that. Okay, it's not by engineer, yeah, you can see that. Good, so that's the way we do. You can repeat it third time, fourth time, 50 times, and keep calling it. And every time we pass maybe different data or maybe same data, changing the color of the line. By the way, I was very happy to see those of you who went and learned how to change the color. And that really was amazing. Okay, questions? Anyone need help with his code? I can see Maad saying, I think the vote is, okay, since all work are presented at the same time. Okay, that's fine. Function parameters should be defined first. We will improve on that voting for sure. And yeah, we'll do that. Okay, so we just think with introducing this course, especially this comment for our friends in CIS and engineering, this course for every student who are not from background of IT. So we're not going to talk exactly the same language we talk in CIS, but want them to get the same skills and same ability to create a solution. So terminologies are little bit will be different and become more focused on the applications than on the terminology as it is. Yeah, so that's one thing. Later we will come when we come to the data type and we'll discuss other things. Those parameters will be looked at it a little bit differently and further explanation will be used. Now, so the first one we did create the function and we passed L and angle, and then modified this one, and we came with those, we called it more than 3 times, stick to 3 times, okay? And that's good, okay? That's the second one we achieved. Now we are in the third one, use pin up and pin down to get, to move to new positions, go to as well or position. Now I leave this one to you. Show me how you can use pin up and pin down to do that. Basically, if you draw here and you want to move this one here, you start doing your T, pin up. I'll just show you this one only, okay? And then you go to T, go to or use position, some of you use, and you need to pass 2 parameters here, two values. I leave it to you to decide. And then you say T, pin down, and then it will draw this new shape now in the new location, which we decided to have. And then you continue the same thing with the rest of it. Okay, so I'm getting a question from some of you. I think someone submitted to me a code. Let's see if I can open it in new tab so I do not touch my code. So here is someone submitted. We will look at what he or she did. I can see many. Oh, thank you very much. All this notification, which one I can answer now? I'll go with the highest one. Here is one for from DP, and I'll go there. And here is the code. Done, very well. Is there an issue that you are facing with this code? I can see you did the same thing as expected, so there's no issue there. I can try use the link, teacher assignment, edit, okay. No, you should not use that one. Don't use my link. You need to go, don't use the link I'm using. You need to go to the course, you click, you are a student, yeah? I'm a student now. I'll show you like I am a student. I go as a student there, now I am a student. If I get into this course, this is the course, I'll find there is an assignment here where it needs to be done in 9 hours. I will fix that one now. Then I click on it as a student, now I am a student, and I'll work on it. Yeah, but because that's my submission. So you just go and do it that way. You don't, okay, so I need to go back as a teacher and work on it. So I can see that. Okay, let's see who else also submitted this assignment and maybe need help. Yeah, you need to register. Okay, I'll show you where to register. You will register, but you need also a special code from me. I will show you the code here. It will come on the screen. When you register, you need to use this code. Otherwise, you will not be a student in my class. So I'm copying this one. I'm putting it for you in the chat. If you click on that one and register. Once you register there, you will be part of the course and you will be able to come and do the same assignment as what we are doing. Okay, so these are the assignment, and looking at people who submitted, I can see there are people who submitted the assignment here who are waiting for me to help, okay? So I can see, for example, Samitha, I hope I'm saying your name right. Samitha has done this work. So created 2 functions, great. So created the first function, which is very good, and then created another function called move D, which basically goes to a new location, and then that function will take the pin up, we will move forward by D, and then move down, the pin down, and then it used. So you know what she's doing now? She's calling draw shape first time, draw it here. Then called move function, the new one she created, or he created, sorry if I'm saying wrong, and then move to that location, then start drawing again, and move to new location and do that. Basically, what he or she is doing here is moving forward, but you still can use go to or position, yeah, to go to specific coordinates instead of doing it on the same, on just going left and right. This way you can manage exactly how that shape will look like, because now you are relatively, you draw this one and the cursor going that direction, and you say move up, went here. Then you draw something, cursor coming at the end here, then you go down. You're not controlling where your object will be next, because you're not using go to, using just move forward. But that's great work. Who's saying, Dr. Han, can you please make TH link to the course? Okay, and Rebel it available to all. Yeah, I think I did. I sent an email to everyone multiple of times saying this is the link that you can register through, but I will do that again and send it to everyone. Now it's in the chat. If you are there, I just pasted it there. You go and click on it, you will find it in the chat. I'll paste it again, one more to make it handy, but I'll add it to the BBLearn as well. Now, getting few others submitting to me, I'm looking at their work. I want to see someone who's doing the next level. Farid, okay, we'll go there. Farid, you have done this, very good, and exactly you did what I said. This is very good, thank you. Anyone having a challenge? I think there is an option that you can ask for help. I'm not sure if you're getting that option. This one, Muhammad Anis, did lots of move up, move down, but that's good. I think I like the function that created by one of you, by Samita. Yeah, thank you. That was very nice. More, I am looking at what you did. You did the same. Okay, that's good. Who else doing? Can see Azmi.